So the raise was $2.5 million from WTI, Western Technology Investing, and it was actually venture debt, so we've never raised any VC capital. And what that does is it gives us a chance to grow very, very quickly, but remain independent. And so Jun Group, the name of our company, J-U-N, actually means truth. And we have this radical concept that brands actually have the right to know where their ads are running. And we have two products. One is a video product, so it takes videos 3 or 4 minutes long, gets millions of people to see them, and we promote them on top shelf, top tier, premium publishers via big, colorful native placements. Second one is a traffic driving product where we deliver millions of unique visitors to any page on mobile, tablet, or desktop. Well, so brands are how we form the company. That's one of our main clients. And the solution is very simple. So it's native placements. And if you have a video that's 3 or 4 minutes long, it's not like pre-roll, so it's not ubiquitous, it's not easy to aggregate an audience. And that's what we do. We get millions of people to see it, very finely targeted. We can even get to very unique audiences by asking a question. Do you own a pet? Do you cook with organic foods? And deliver 100% of that very refined audience. The most sort of visible place you'll see them is on a publisher. So it would be a CNN or a Business Insider, and delivers millions and millions of impressions. But 70% of the work that we do is now on mobile, and that's up from 30% in 2012. And that has to do with what brands want because they understand that the audience is moving there. It also has to do with just where people live. So we're in big mobile apps as well as some of the premium websites that you would expect. We spent most of 2012 building an SDK, software development kit. And that's actually a little tiny piece of code. It's only about 75K, so it's less than a megabyte. And it enables us to integrate our ads into any mobile application. Because we really believe that mobile applications are where the audience is living. Most people, when they use a smartphone, are not going to CNN.com, they're going to the CNN app. So we're integrated within those apps, which is really actually a pretty complex process. And we do it in iOS devices and Android devices. And that enables us to reach people in a non-interruptive way where they're interacting with the smartphones. The brands that we work with go across every vertical category. So a lot of CPG brands, a lot of electronics brands. We do a lot of work in pet food, pharma, really fashion, beauty, anything you can name. We've been at it for 7 years, so we're pretty integrated into the big media agencies and with most of the big brands. And I think that where it's going is where we have tried to be all the time, which is very viewable, very accountable. There's a lot of problems in the industry right now where brands really don't know where their ads are running. And with us, you do. We will give each one of our customers a complete list of sites. And that's quite unique. So we think that as technology advances, as tracking gets more advanced, and as brands get more used to the space, there's going to be a lot more sort of scrutiny of actually where these things are running. And we're quite proud of the fact that we deliver the audiences in a very accountable way, so our brands actually know the value. They can derive tangible value from every placement that they run with us.